Place the BIO-CHEQ carry case on a flat surface and open the case. Remove the BIO-CHEQ device and its components from the case and place it aside. Press the power button to turn on the device. Open the BIO-CHEQ application and log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Patient Registration tab to register a new patient. Fill in the details and click Submit to register the patient successfully. Select the new test option and enter the patient ID. Select the desired test and prepare the sample as per the instructions. Once the sample is prepared, transfer the solution in the cuvette and load it in the device and press Start. The results will be displayed on the screen and on the BIO-CHEQ application. The data can be viewed or exported in an Excel format. The results can be viewed or downloaded in a PDF format.